you are making more money compared to government job holder, right? But
Yeah.
people they think government job.
Yeah, and because of that, sometimes my parents say, "Why didn't you try to get into government sector? So you are good at study, and also why didn't you try?"
Yes, my name is Sami Sultan, and basically I am from Bihar. Currently, I live in Maharashtra. I am working here. I am working in construction field as a site engineer. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like listening to music, playing cricket, and I love traveling. So these are my hobbies. And also, I would like to know from your side.
Yeah. My name is Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. And about my qualification, I have done engineering, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And it's been 5 years that I'm in this industry. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube for past 2 years. And my hobbies, I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling in my free time. That's all about me.
Okay, good. So you are working in Bhopal or another city?
Yeah, I'm working remotely. I'm doing work from home, so that's why I'm in my hometown. Otherwise, my work location is in different city.
Okay, okay, great, good.
Yeah, so how
And
long
I
have you
watched
been
many
there
on
in
YouTube. I watched many video. Yeah,
Okay, you watched my videos.
yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. So, how did you find it? Is it useful or
On YouTube. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yes. Many times I watched video. Yes.
okay, that's great. Yeah, because if we are uploading and if it is beneficial for any single person also, so that is very great pleasure for me. That yes,
Yeah,
somebody.
definitely. Yes, it's great because you know there are lots of people they are learning English,
Mhm.
right? So with the help of YouTube video, we can improve our English language.
Yes, yes, right. And also we can give opportunity to other people also. Like some people don't have partners, they complain like this that with whom I can talk. So because of this method, we can talk with anyone. Like you are
Exactly.
talking with me, and I am also talking with other learners. So that in that case, I am also getting opportunity that I can get partner and I can talk, and they can also do the same.
Right, right. Yes, yes.
Okay, so how long have you been working?
Yeah, I have 6 year experience in this field. Actually, I completed my engineering in 2018. So almost I have more than 6 year experience. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
And currently we are constructing residential building and commercial building.
Okay, and what did you do in your graduation?
Yeah, I've done civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Okay, that's great. And may I know in Bihar, where are you from?
I'm from Siwan district, Gopalganj, Siwan. Have you heard? Siwan, Chhapra, Gopalganj.
Yes, yes.
So basically, I'm from Gopalganj district. Yes, attached with Gorakhpur.
Okay, so basically I'm also from Bihar because my parents belongs to Bihar and I'm living in Bhopal city since very long time, like you can say since childhood. So that's why I just say like I'm from Bhopal, but our roots are from Bihar. So
Okay,
we follow all the rituals and culture of Bihar only.
right. So, ma'am, in which part do you belong to Bihar?
So I'm from Bhagalpur.
Okay, okay. Yes, I know. Yeah.
Okay, so have you ever been there, like
No,
Bhagalpur?
I never been to Bhagalpur. I
Hmm.
visited Muzaffarpur, Hajipur, Patna.
Okay, and
Yes.
now you are working in Mumbai, so can
Nasik.
you tell me more
Nasik.
about? Sorry,
Nasik city. Nasik,
Nasik.
Maharashtra. Yes.
Okay, so have you visited any places there?
Yeah, I visited many places. Even I visited more than 10 times in Mumbai city. And yeah, and as we know, Nasik is very beautiful. Mostly area greenery, mountain.
Hmm.
Yes, and I love to nature, so often I like Nasik. Yeah,
Okay, so which place you liked a lot?
greenery area. I mean mountain, greenery. Even I have visited some beaches in Mumbai, Juhu Chowpatty, Marine Drive,
Okay.
and Gateway of India. Yes.
Yes, yes. I have also visited all these places when I went to Mumbai once, just for vacation, and I visited all this like Juhu Beach, Marine Drive, and the one famous temple Siddhivinayak. and the
Right.
Gateway of India also. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, these are the beautiful places that we can visit there. And
And
yeah, first.
recently there was one incident near Gateway of India. I think more than 15 people died.
Oh, I didn't know.
One week ago. 1 week ago.
Okay, what was the main cause?
Yeah, actually, there was one, I think, Navy ship, right, collide with, different ship. So,
Okay.
common people, yes, I think, died more than 15 people. Yes.
Yeah, I think there is one. What can I say? Like there also it happened.
No, not like, but as we know, near touch with Gateway of India, often people visit Elephanta Cave. There is one
Yes,
cave,
elephant caps.
I
Yeah,
think, 3, 5, 6 kilometer far from like Gateway of India.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. So I think during that route, that incident happened.
Yes, now I recalled. Okay, so how long have you been learning this language, and what is the main reason for you?
Yeah, actually, I am working as a senior engineer here, right?
Mhm.
You can say project manager, right? So usually I interact with my boss and different people, different clients. That is the reason I want to enhance my communication.
Yeah, in the working field, I think it is really necessary, and it gives you more like you are more professionalism in this like in any industry, and it's a good way of communication, I can say, when you have to talk with so many people like clients, customers. So yeah, it is necessary. And in Mumbai, I think it's a, what can I say, the dream city, and also
Right,
the home of many celebrities. So
right.
definitely most of the people speak English also, like more professional person.
And Mumbai is like financial capital of our country, as well as film industry, actor,
Hmm.
actress, businessmen, they are living there. And one of the crowded city in our country.
Yeah, that's the thing only I didn't like about Mumbai when I went there. Like it was really crowded. So yeah, we don't have this kind of habit. Like in my city, it is not a hustle bustle here because it's not a metro city as of now. So that's why. So I just felt like yes, it is really a crowded city, and I saw so many people over there, and people were not walking; they are just running behind, like in metro
Right.
cities and local trains. Yeah,
People are very busy there. Yes.
yeah, busiest city also we can say this saying.
Yes.
Yeah. So did you choose that Mumbai for your work purpose, or they had provided you this location?
No, actually, before that, I was working in Delhi. Then after that, I got transferred from Delhi to Maharashtra.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my
Yes.
work location is in Delhi.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I used to work in Delhi and Gurugram border near DLFS1.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so you must be lived there also.
Yes.
Okay, so now you like Delhi more or Mumbai?
Yeah, I think Nasik is good, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So what
Nasik
did
is.
you like most about this Nasik?
Actually, if I talk about Delhi, so definitely their infrastructure is more, right?
Hmm.
Or there is pollution is more, and as well as there is no peace. If I talk about Nasik, so you
Hmm.
are like totally pollution free, greenery, mountain, tourist place. So
Okay.
that is the reason I like Nasik. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so now it's your holiday today?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
Christmas Day.
I
Yeah.
didn't know that you are the person, so I just messaged you, and I just saw the previous message that you mentioned that you are a working professional, so you don't get time in between. So,
Yes. Yeah.
so I just thought maybe today is your off, so that's why. Yeah, it's my holiday also, so that's
Okay.
why.
So
Okay,
I
so
think you have weekly off, right? Saturday and Sunday.
yeah, I get weekly off Saturday, Sunday, but today is for Christmas, so I have holiday.
Right. Exactly.
And do you have any plan for today?
No, there is no special. Recently, I watched one movie, Pushpa Part 2, three,
Oh.
4 days ago. Yeah. So today I don't have any plan. What's about your experience in your field as a software engineer?
Okay, my experience in my field. Yeah,
Yes.
it is going good, and yeah, since you can say since very long time, I had a dream to work in a IT company only. So fortunately, I got the placement in IT company. So you can say that I'm more interested in this field only. So that's why I have more interest, and I'm working and I'm enjoying also. But yeah, in these days I'm working from home, so I'm not getting opportunity to explore other city or any other places, so I'm in my hometown. But yeah, somewhere it is good also, in case that I'm living with my family members right now. So yeah, this is the benefit also, I can say. And I'm just saving my time to do some other activities. Like now I'm talking with you, I'm improving my communication. So this way I'm utilizing my time in other way. Otherwise, office is also good, but I'm not getting this opportunity right now.
Right. Yeah. Actually, you are saving your time. You don't need to go outside. You
Yeah,
can save transport charge as well as transport time.
yeah, money and time both.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, because when I went to Delhi, so I stayed in a PG, so I had to pay the rent also, and sometimes food was not good, so I had to eat outside, and these are the things that it is quite complicated. But yeah, when my office will, call me back to come to office, then I'll have to go. Otherwise, it's very long time that I'm working from home.
Okay, good, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So nowadays I've heard in IT sector there is session is going. Is it right?
Yeah, I think it happens every year, to be honest.
Okay.
And yeah, we can't predict that this year it won't happen or like that. And it's a part of, I can say that part of the corporate sector. Sometimes they are up and sometimes they are down. So it ups to
Okay.
us only that how we are tackling the situation. And yeah, in IT field it is not of our IT field, but in corporate or private sector we can say it is not uh, like secure because
Exactly.
it yeah. So that's why more people want to go in the government sector just because of this thing.
Right. That's right. That's why people want to do job in government sector. Their job security is more, right?
Yeah, in my place it happens when I go to my hometown, like Bihar. So when I say or my parents say them, tell them that I'm working in IT company or in private company and I'm doing great job. So they say they just have one question: is it private job or government job? And when I say like yes, it's a private job, so their facial expression get changed
Right, right.
immediately.
Even you are making more money compared to government job holder, right? But
Yeah.
people they think government job.
Yeah, and because of that sometimes my parents say, why didn't you try to get into government sector? So you are good at study and also why didn't you try? But I just told that it's I think it depends on interest also, like I don't have such interest in government sector, so that's why I chose this line. And
Right,
I can't say that it is not good, but yeah, sometimes it is risky. uh, like you anytime you can lose your job, it's unpredictable. But
right. And also we have to upgrade ourselves.
yeah, every time I have to do study and study only. It's more like technical things, because of technology is advancing day by day, so I have to upgrade myself. So when you are more experienced person or you have good skills, then you will not bother too much, because you can get new job easily.
Right,
But sometimes it happens that being in a job we don't try to do some other things, like when we get time but we don't want to utilize in some study and study, because 8 to 9 hours you have to do work first and then you have to do the study part. So sometimes we get like, no, I don't want to do it.
right. So when did you start your YouTube channel?
It's more than 2 years. Yeah.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah, so initially I was uploading some different kind of content. Like firstly, I had started with mathematics, but just after a few videos only, I shifted to English. And firstly, I explained about some tenses and all that I had already idea about that things. So I just made videos for that, and after that I shifted to this conversational videos. So now it is more like conversational videos only. This kind of conversational.
Yes, yes, good, good.
Yeah, and I'm doing it because it's not that much of time taking as compared to other videos.
Right, right.
Yeah. Okay, so have you ever come to Bhopal?
Yes, yes, I have visited Bhopal.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
So
I have visited Bhopal. There is one Devi Mall, right? Devi Mall, New
yeah,
Market,
yeah,
and
and today only I'm just
right?
planning to go there.
Oh,
Yeah,
right. I have
in
visited.
Christmas time, this decorate DB Mall with the Christmas tree, biggest Christmas tree and all, like Santa Claus and everything. So I'm just planning to go in the evening time.
So in which area do you live in Bhopal?
I'm in like Piplani side. I don't know you know or
Okay,
not.
okay. Yes, yes, I know, I know, I know.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Actually, I
anyone lives here?
stayed there for 10 days.
Sorry.
One my friend, he was studying there in
Oh,
Man Engineering College.
okay.
Yes, so I had stayed there and I visited so many places like Habibganj, Mandideep, and some famous college, private college like I think RKDF, LNCT, I think, right? LNCT College.
Did you hear about TIT?
Yes, 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 I have heard TIT College. Yes.
I have done my graduation from there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Like most of the people say that it's a good city. So what's
Yeah,
your
yeah, straight. Because actually I had stayed there and I never faced any challenge related to language, even related to food. Food, language are almost same, right? There people
Hmm.
prefer to speak Hindi language.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
most of the
yeah.
people speak Hindi, so we don't feel, and it's not a like kind of metro or a busy city, so anyone can
Right,
and you can find
right.
everything around you, so you won't feel any problem. Even so many people come here, Bhopal, to do engineering and some other study.
Yes,
uh,
yes.
so for a study purpose also there are so many good colleges, so yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so anything else or shall we wrap up?
No issue, ma'am. We should end our conversation. We'll connect again in future.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Okay. Yes. Same to you. Thank you. Yes. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Bye bye. Take
Yeah.
care.